Well, some folks in Tate County, Mississippi want to ban mobile homes, and that's led to a lawsuit against the county. Visual storyteller Sheila Whaley shows us now residents are angrier than ever.
We're just country folks. If you go down the street, there's tons of mobile homes, and not everyone has the money to purchase brick and mortar homes.
It is discrimination against the lower income families, and we feel like they don't want us here anymore.
They want people that have money to come. My name is Ashley Daniel. I live in Tate County, Mississippi. I am the president of Our Land's Our Right. It is an organization to help our community. Any kind of home on there. What we are fighting for is for all of Tate County, no matter what zone you live in. If you currently have a manufactured home, we want it to where you can replace those manufactured homes. Pretty plain as day. It is not right for one to be able to say what kind of house you can live in when it comes to this is the only thing that people can afford. With this map, R1 that is in the orange, if you have a manufactured home, you're not allowed to replace that manufactured home, meaning if a tornado comes through, if there's a fire, you're not allowed to replace that manufactured home unless you go to the planning commission and get a conditional use. Once you pass away and you leave your land to your loved ones, they can have the land, but they will have to sell the mobile home because they will not be able to live in that mobile home. It's wrong in every aspect of the word. It's just wrong. And also, if you sell that home, you will have to sell that home just for the land, or you can sell the house, but it has to be moved. Agricultural residential is yellow, and that means if you choose to purchase land, you cannot place a new manufactured home on that land. You have to build.
Basically, you are at Tate County's discretion on whether or not you're allowed to have a home. What y'all Tate put on that? My name is Danielle Daniel. I'm Vice President of Our Land, Our Rights Incorporated. I'm angry. It's not fair at all. You have people who work hard just to provide a home for their families, and we're being told, you know, I'm sorry you can't afford a brick and mortar, but you can't do what you can do on your land.
We need to stick together. We need to just be a community and say no. We've had enough. We're taking it back. This is ours, and you're not going to tell us what we can and can't do on property that we bought, that we work hard for, that we pay taxes on. It's ours, and you can't tell us otherwise.
Signatures for our petitions.
We do have petitions out all over the county. We have had 2 petitions. Our first round of petitions got over 8,000 signatures in 10 days, and we packed the courthouse to present those petitions to the board. We had over 300 people in the parking lot and in the hallways and in the courtroom. We have a whole list of exactly what we want, and all they have to do is sit down, talk to us, read it with us, and they're refusing to do so.
Well, attorneys involved in this lawsuit told us they could not comment because the case is in court.